This is how to edit with the video editing software ClipChamp, made by the Microsoft Corporation. This is good for beginners that want to edit their videos. So I already have it installed, so you just want to search up ClipChamp, and then you want to install it, and then you can just click open. I already have it opened here. So here it is. Now, hold up, I'm gonna go to home. So this is what you want to do: create a video. You just want to click that, and then you brought to this page. You press that plus button, then you can browse in your files. So I already have my folder open here. So here is my folder. So now we're just gonna take this Roblox Murder Mystery 2 clip and this audio. This clip is 20 seconds. It's not too close. This was like a test. So I'm gonna show you how to cut, delete, and all that other stuff. So one thing you're gonna want to know and want to do is sometimes you don't do it in the video, so you want to narrate, or you can use text to speech. It's really anything. So we're gonna use text to speech right now. Say hi, my name is, let's go, Charles, and today we are playing Murder Mystery 2 on Roblox. And Charles is a masculine name, so we're gonna use Brandon.
Hi, my name is Charles, and today we are playing Murder Mystery 2 on Roblox.
That's what some people use. They use, So we're gonna do that.
My name is Charles, and today we are playing Murder Mystery 2 on Roblox.
And there you go, there's Murder Mystery 2. Now I'm gonna show you how to speed up things and cut it. So if you want to cut to a certain place, you want to click the clip you want to cut, split, or press S, and go to the end. That's the start of the segment, and then the end of the segment you want to delete. Boom, and then right click, press delete, or press the delete button on your keyboard. Then what you want to do is this big gap. The right of the gap, you want to click a clip, and then you want to drag it down to the clip that's at the left of the gap. And then see, you have a cut right there. So now I can show you how to speed up things. So basically same thing with delete, but what you want to do is you want to not press delete. You can press S on your keyboard, start, end. Now what you want to do, most people don't like the speeding, like the sound when you speed up a video. So you're going to want to press audio, you want to turn the volume to 0, then you want to press speed, press fast, and then choose however much you want your video to be sped up. So say I like that. Yeah, let's change it a little bit more up. Bow, bow. There. Now, same thing as when you delete something, the right of the gap, you want to take the clip and you want to drag it down here. Now, you just want to press play. That was sped up right here. This clip is a sped up clip. Basically, I was doing nothing to the clip, so it doesn't look much, but it was sped up. Now, say you have some audio, so there's how you play it. Now we're going to take it, we're going to do that, and we're just going to, now see, it's 1 minute, the video is 20 seconds, so we're just going to take it down here, and we're going to put that up where the sped up part. Your sped up part might not look as small as mine, and yeah, and there you go. So here we have the intro. So that was how to use text to speech, how to cut, delete, and put spit up.
Hi, my name is Charles, and today we are playing Murder Mystery 2 on Roblox.
And say that's the sped up part. You won't really see it, but that's the sped up part. So audio. Also, you're gonna wanna use text in some of the videos. So here's a lot of the text you can use. Just add a subtitle. Say we want subtitle at the start, and it's gonna be. You already know. My name's Charles. Yeah. You want to click on it, and then you want to click text at the top, and then below subscribe. Pow. And you can use any font you want. I'm gonna use this font because it looks pretty cool. So
Hi, my name is Charles, and today we are playing Murder Mystery 2 on Roblox.
now you can edit how long you want the text and where you want the text. Same thing as the clip, you literally just drag it. And yeah, so some text can make your screen blurry. I've seen it in let's get groovy. That might make my screen blurry. If you don't want it, you can probably just like, oh no. So basically, and if you don't want something, you just delete it. So if you want to resize stuff, you can just do it like that. And boom. So now this is the video.
Hi, my name is Charles, and today we are playing Murder Mystery 2 on Roblox.
There you go. So that's basically the video. I know it was a short video. So you can use those things. You can also find stock video and stock music, and then you can find, pretty sure this is royalty free music. So yeah, this software is pretty good because you can get free music, free stock videos, literally anything, stock videos. Boom. So say we want this doctor, or yeah, doctor, and say we want to narrate over stuff, like say something like make a joke about a doctor, so you can just bring up this thing. And what now we're gonna do, record and create, text to speech, loading. Let's do Brandon again. This is the goofy doctor I was telling you about. I spelled doctor wrong. Alright.
This is the goofy doctor I was telling you about.
Goofy doctor? Gonna bring that there.
This is the goofy doctor I was telling you about.
Boom, and we are going to shorten the clip to the text to speech. And there you go, stock. You can also use stock images, literally almost any image. So we're gonna use umbrella, got person holding an umbrella.
This is the goof.
And oh, watermarks. Hold up. Watermarked? Bruh. Oh, okay. So there is some that are free. So be right. There are watermarks and there are free stuff. Let's delete that. Say this is free, we're gonna do that, and then we're gonna delete that. So that's a nice outro. We're just gonna use some more of this. Actually, we're gonna add some music and sound effects. Alright, sure, we'll add that.
Hi, my name is Charles.
I think I deleted that. Why is that playing? Oh, Control Z. I'm just gonna take the split tool. Oh, split. Okay, I'm gonna scroll. Wow, that is long. That's 3 minutes. Well, it's not long. It looks long because the video's short. But that's basically...
Hi, my name is Charles, and today we are playing Murder Mystery 2 on Roblox.
We're gonna make it a little... So that starts at 15, ends at 18. That's 3 minutes. So... let's duplicate this and make this a little bit longer. 21. We're gonna make it the outros are 20 seconds short, so we're just gonna make it about there. There is the outro. So you can basically just take some random cool stock footage, put, you know, that, and it made a cool outro. Look at that outro. Now, if you want to add text to the outro, we're just gonna bring in normal subtitle text. Make that the whole thing. We're gonna take this. Oh no, take this. We're gonna bring it up here. Now, what we're gonna do? We're gonna press text. We're gonna put subscribe or not or subscribe for a free cookie. And let's use Luckiest Guy again. That's a pretty good font. I actually kind of like that font. And boom. So basically, that's a little tutorial about text. I don't know if you can get audio. Screen and camera. Oh, camera and microphone. Block. Block. Screen recording. Alright. That's denied. Yeah, don't press block on a microphone, but basically you just press the button to record. Maybe you press the button to record, and then you can do like the entire screen or whatever. And you can just abba, and you can stop, and you can share and edit. And you get your little thing here. Yep, and what we're gonna do is we're actually gonna take this. You can go to yeah, we're gonna take this. We're gonna go to no audio. Oh yeah, no audio because I didn't record. But if there is audio, you can do here we'll go to clip. We'll go to my clip. I go back, we're gonna go to my clip. So if there is audio, you can just click audio, separate audio, and then once it's separated, you can literally just take this audio and yeah, take it, drop it anywhere, just like I did. So this is the video. Delete that, and we're gonna delete the one at the end. So basically just do that with your recording and you will have a voiceover.
Hi, my name is Charles, and today we are playing Murder Mystery 2 on Roblox.
We're gonna take this, we're gonna take the audio, and we're gonna make it super high. And then we're gonna split it right here, split, and we're gonna take the audio, we're gonna make it a little bit quieter. You can't really hear me, but that is it. And then there's this nice